Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 GMC Acadia. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors and seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.